Hi, this is Tom T, the sales engineer with Autotask, and in this recording I'm going to show you how you can approve billing items, create an invoice, and transfer over to QuickBooks all within one workflow. Now keep in mind as you're watching this presentation, please make sure to write down any questions you have to review with your sales representative after you watch this. When approving billing items inside of Autotask, we give you a full approve and post section to approve costs, labor items, and other such items to bill for before it gets put on an invoice itself. The reason why we can do this is that I can go through here in my approval section, approve any items, even correct items if I need to, such as hours to bill, hourly rates, even if I have to edit a time entry for grammatical errors. Now in this case, I'm going to approve just these two items above. When I approve and post, they then go now into my items to invoicing section. With items to invoice, I can batch invoice multiple customers or check an individual customer to send over one single invoice. In this case here, we're just going to check off the Phoenix group. As I check this invoice off, I can preview it. When I preview the invoice itself, I can see everything on it before it's even created. As I go through this, I can now hit process if I want to continue. When I process, I have the option to go ahead and transfer to QuickBooks. When we process invoices, it'll connect to my QuickBooks. At that point, it'll then transfer the invoice. It will also even grab back the QuickBooks invoice number for reference. After the invoice is completed, it will then pop up the Autotask invoice, so I can see this in here. Now we're going to go into my QuickBooks file and see how it looks inside of QuickBooks. As I go into my QuickBooks file, I can now go to my customers, look up the customer I transferred to, and then pull up the brand new invoice that I've sent over from Autotask. As you can see here, we pull over all the information, summary notes, who worked on it, ticket titles, as well as even the cost and hourly rate information. Thank you for watching this presentation for today. If you have any questions at all, please let your sales representative know and we can follow up with you. Thanks again.